Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach next terms of the football. So, additional time. A football match consists of two halves. A football match consists of two halves and each half is 45 minutes long. Between the two halves there is an interval. There is an interval which is not more than 15 minutes long. Stoppage time means injury time is the time added on the end of each half at the discretion of the referees. Additional time means extra time. I told you about match time, and once again I will explain that. There are two halves will be there. In that first halves 15 minutes after first halves 15-minute rest is there. Stoppage timing means injury time. When any player got injury, that time referee will stop the match. And how much minute goes in that case, referee will provide that much minute in the end of the each half. Listen here. How much minute goes in that case, referee will provide that much minute in the end of the each halves. That is called additional time. Okay. Next one, nutmeg. It is a playing technique used chiefly in association football. In soccer, that refers to when one player directs the ball intentionally between the legs of another player. Nutmeg is a playing skill. It will refers to pass the ball in between both legs of opponent players. Nutmeg is a playing skill. It will refers to pass the ball in between both legs of opponent players. Understood? Next one is step over. The step over is dribbling move or feint in football used to pull a defensive player into thinking the offensive player in possession of the ball is going to move in a directions he does not intend to move in. This is very important. Listen here, step over. This skill use only attackers because they will do confuse to defenders with their directions. Means attackers move straight with ball. Listen here, when attackers move straight with the ball, then defender will think he is coming straight, I will tackle him easily. I will tackle for him easily. Then suddenly attackers will change the direction and he will give pass from another side or another movement for his teammate. That is called step over. Understood? Next one, half volley. Half volley is controlled kick on the short hop made just after the ball bounces off the ground. Half volley means control on the ball. It will refer to control on the ball. If any attackers kicked the ball highly, Another player hold the ball by using legs or toe after first bounce of the ball. Here, if any attackers kicked the ball highly, that time another player hold the ball by using legs or toe after first bounce of the ball. That is called half volley. Okay. Attackers, a team who play nearest to the opposing team's goal and are therefore most responsible for scoring goals. Attackers is also called strikers. Attackers is called strikers. During the match, they will play nearest to the opponent goal post. Always they will play front. Okay. Most of 90% teams is depend on strikers to win the match. Most of 90% teams is depend on strikers to win the match. Defenders. A defender is an outfield player whose primary role is to prevent the opposing team from scoring goals. There are four types of defenders: center back, sweeper, full back and wing back. Okay, defender is outfield player. Always they will try to tackle for opponent attackers. Always they will try to tackle from for opponents attackers, or they will try to escape the ball from opponents. There are four types of defenders. Say, center back, second one sweeper, third one full back, and last means fourth one is wing back. This I will show you with practical when school will start. Okay. Next one, chip. A chip or lob is a shot in which the ball is kicked the ball from underneath with accuracy but with less than maximum force to launch it high into the air in order either to pass it cover the heads of opponents or to score the goal. Chip, it is referred to a high kick with maximum force. Chip technique refers to make high kick with maximum force or to pass the ball over the heads of opponent or to pass the ball over the heads of opponents. That is called to make the goal. It is called chip. Next one, punt. A punt is drop kick performed by dropping the ball from the hands and then kicking the ball before it hits the ground. Punt kick is refer only goalkeepers because always he is holding the ball with the hands, and after holding the ball he will release from his hands and immediately he will kick before ball touches to the ground. Listen here once again. Punt kick is referred only goalkeeper because always he is holding the ball with hands, and after holding he will release from his hands and immediately he will kick before the ball touches to the ground. Understood? Okay. Next part I will continue. Remaining part I will continue in next period. I will wind up the class.